Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a simple logo in the Canva. So the process is pretty simple. So first of all you have to open the Canva on your laptop, computer or the mobile. All versions are available. Once you will do it, you will see screen like this after login to your account, and here you will see a create a design option. Simply you have to tap on it and you will see multiple options here. Simply click on the logo to create a simple logo. And if you don't know how to use Adobe Photoshop and the Adobe Illustrator, you can still create a logo on the Canva. So you will see an editor is open here. You will see also our templates available here for the logo. Select any template according to your choice. Like if you have a car business, you can simply select a car logo from here. You will see pre-made logos are available here. You can write the name of your business here, car sell, and you can also change the text color from here by tapping on it. So this is the way to create a simple logo on the Canva. You can also download it from here. So hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.